what's happening at your Oldsmobile dealer's showroom. We just put the show on the road. It's the Great Olds Roadshow Sales Rally, featuring the special cars, the Cutlass Sierra ES, even the limited edition Hurst-Olds, hottest Cutlass of them all.
I'm Doug Schultz, this is my wife Deborah, and this is my wife's 1983 Hurst-Olds LS3. So we bought this car in November of 2010. The LS swap started in February 2011, and we just had the motor sitting in our back garage. Came out of a build out of our 2010 Camaro, and Debbie always wanted a Hurst-Olds, so this is what it ended up being in. It's got a Ford 9-inch 4L70E transmission. It's putting out 555 horse at the crank, about 408 at the rear wheels. So this car was bought new in 1983 by a Dr. Boggs out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. He owned it for 7 years with 22,000 miles on it. He totaled it out. Took a front collision hit, wrinkled the top of the car. The car then went to the insurance company. Salvage yard owner picked it up. They rebuilt it for his son and put another 25,000 miles on it. Drove it for 3 years and sat in the garage for 17 additional years. Leading up to that point is when we bought it in 2010. The floor pans, when the interior came out of it, the trunk pan are as if it just rolled off the factory floor. And that's a credit to a car that comes right out of Oklahoma. Give a shout out this time to two shops that have helped us out. One is Top Line Design and Speed out of North Curry, Wisconsin. And the other is West Bend Dyno Tuning out of West Bend, Wisconsin. If it wasn't for those two companies working with us, I really don't know where this project would have went.
Actually, we had a gal that redid the interior.
Okay.
She kept the center buttons for the rear seats and the front seats, and then the rest of the interior she hand sewed to match the pattern of the original interior, and it matches the material almost perfect. If you didn't know it, you wouldn't see the difference.
This car was built as a resto mod. We wanted people to look at it as they approach and go, oh, it's an 1883 Hurst-Olds. Until they get looking under the hood. Headers on the car are produced by Wagner Motorsports, and they were the company that did the top-end engine build. They are out of Markesan, Wisconsin, as well as the front engine assembly kit is a Wagner Motorsport item. They did the headwork and the cam upgrade on the LS3. To help lighten up the front end, we moved the battery to the back, and we also installed the 6 CD changer amplifier stereo system. So the car has Global West front, upper and lower tubular A-arms, Global West box control arms, upper and lower in the rear. It has QA1 double adjustable coilovers on all 4 corners, and a Hotchkiss front and rear sway bars. The wheels on the car are actually my wife's idea. They are Hurst wheel. Hurst came out with them about 2 years ago, I believe, 2.5 years ago, and she thought, boy, it looked nice on her car, so we went ahead and purchased them in black with the black and red decal, and we think they fit the theme of the car rather well. Rims are 7 inches wide, 15 inch up front, 8 inch 15s in the back. The tires are 235s, 60-15s up front, and 255 60-15s in the rear. The rear spoiler has been smoothed out. It actually sits about a 1/4 inch higher on those stanchions than the original stanchions that would have been on this car. Right after we finished building the car, we took it to the 2014 Muscle Car Corvette Nationals in the Chicagoland area. It took a gold level award on a 1,000 point judged card, and it also was awarded the Emerald Award for Best Oldsmobile, first time shown within a radius of 200 miles of Chicago. We then took it to the 2016 Summer Car Craft Nationals in Milwaukee, where John McGann awarded it the editor's pick for Best BOP Award. And last year here at the LS Fest, it was awarded Best Street Machine.